Hi, this is a demonstration of Pool Break Pro, a 3D pool and snooker game running on the Sony Google TV device connected to an HDTV. I'm going to start the game by clicking the icon here. As you can see, there are 4 different games to choose from here. You have pool, snooker, and 2 board games, carom and croquet, that are played with discs. Now within pool, you have several variations like the 8-ball pool, the 9-ball, straight pool, etc. I'm going to choose the 8-ball and I'm going with the regular table. Now you can choose between 3 different opponent types: pass and play if you want to just practice or play a friend on the same device, droid if you want to play against the computer itself, and network if you wish to play online against another person anywhere in the world. In order to play online, you will need a Wi-Fi connection or a data plan from your mobile carrier. For now, I'm choosing to play against a droid. I'm going to select the default skill level. Now this is the main game screen. I'm going to control my game using a remote that came with the Google TV device. The remote has a full QWERTY keyboard as well as D-pad controls. Now you have to use the D-pad controls sometimes along with the Alt or Shift keys to move your view around the table, or to position your cue ball, or even set the shot power. As you can see, I'm moving the cue ball here. I'm using the Shift D-pad controls to move around the table. I can tilt the view up and down. I'm dragging the cue stick behind the cue ball to set my shot power. I can raise or lower my cue stick to add mass to my shots. To do this, I just press the L key and then use the arrow keys to raise the cue. I can also add English by pressing the I key and then using the arrows to add left or right English, or follow or draw. As you can see, the trajectory lines show where the object ball and the cue ball will most likely end up after the shot. If I press the space bar on the remote, a quick help screen is displayed that shows all the controls and actions possible with your remote. Now from time to time, as you can see here in the bottom left, you get notifications saying that there are online players available, and to join an online game you would just simply press the J key. I'm just going to continue taking my shot here. The remote has a menu or settings key that will bring up a set of in-game menu options. So I press the menu key on the remote and I can now view the help sections, or I can also see my in-game statistics, and I can also go to the settings screens wherein I can perform various customizations like adjusting physical parameters or change some of the visual effects. I can change the friction, the elasticity, stuff like that. I can show or hide certain elements in the scenery. Okay, I'm now going to exit this game and I'm going to demonstrate an online game. For the online game, I'm choosing 9-ball pool, regular table, I'm selecting the network player. Now the screen name is what you would want yourself to be displayed as in the game. The private game ID is for creating a private game that you would like to play against a specific friend. In that case, both you and your friend will have to enter the same private game ID and then click the join private game button. For now, I'm just going to join a public game. So it says here waiting for a network opponent. Okay, now someone has joined our game and it's my turn to break. I'm going to position my cue ball. If I didn't like the current position of my cue ball, I can hit the back key and reposition it. It's still my turn, so I'm going to take the one ball here. Okay, it's my opponent's turn now, and my opponent is taking a shot. I can still view, I can like rotate the table to change the view and see how my opponent is playing. Well, looks like my opponent just won the game. I'm not going to continue with another game right now. Okay, I'm going to show some of the other options available. I'm going to start one of the practice modes called place and shoot. Basically, you just place the balls where you want and shoot. I can do this in slow motion by pressing the M key. Okay, I'm going to show a few more games. One of them is snooker. I can use the N key to change the table design, or I can use the S key to change the scenery. We have the UK 8-ball pool. I'm going to show the 3 cushion billiards on a hexagonal table. And this is the carom game. So that's it. You can check out Pool Break Pro on the Google Play Store. There is also a light version called Pool Break Lite that has a limited choice of games, but it is free. So yes, you can check that out as well, and thanks for watching.